Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. Kind of cool scenario here. We have this 22 magnetic gray metallic TRD Pro Tacoma in here right now, and we have a white 2022 TRD Pro, and they're both have gotten quite a bit of work done to them. They're both getting a lot more work done to them. This one's just getting our roof rack installed in it now. They both have our lift kits installed in them. They both have our preload collar lift that works on the factory suspension on this truck. This has the new upper control arms. We suggest on this truck, if you're gonna run you've got the new upper control arms. If you're gonna run a 285, they do rub here on the control arm if you don't run a wheel spacer in the front of these. So we like to make people aware of that. It's because the upper control arm on these actually stick out farther where the bend is now. So they make contact on the back side of the tire when you're gonna run those control arms in any kit for that matter. It's just because of the arm, not because of the kit. So this one also has a set of our 20-degree rock sliders on it with top plates, and these are a set of DOM and TIG. Super nice. Obviously this is all installed here. Obviously the bottle opener is not installed yet here in the back. I don't know about you, but I really like the new stamping here in the side. Super cool how they did that. Really separates the truck from what a TRD off-road is, or really makes it a little bit that where you can't knock this off or you can't copy this with that stamping. Obviously the old emblem that was underneath the mirror, you could buy that emblem, stick it on the side, make yourself think you got a pro, where this one here is stamped right in the side. Super nice. And then this one over here, it's got the Lightner bed rack on it, and it's going to get a bed tent here. We're doing our roof rack on this one as well. We've actually already have the light set up here. You can see some of the things that, like I say, we talk all the time about attention to detail, and we like to take that to the next level. And here is the attention to detail with the connectors, the harnesses, the clips, everything. Just really nicely laid out here. These are some of the steps we like to take when we're building stuff for customers, that sometimes these are things you don't see behind the scenes or hidden behind something, but this is just to show you the level of quality and work that we try to do here at our shop. We make sure that we run the proper gauge wires on these, you know, as far as the clips go and stuff. It's very crucial that you run large enough wire on this when you're going to do a lift on the, or excuse me, do lighting on this, to have enough to supply the lights and not have a fire or melt or insulation problem on the wiring. So pretty cool. And then some of the graphics here tie into the heritage of the Toyota. Just really clean. And then obviously the stamping here again is super cool. And this truck here again has our TRD Pro lift kit in it. We ran a pair of Open Country Toyo MTs and a 285 75 16. This one is getting a set of our DOM 20-degree TIG welded rock sliders. So when we get this thing all done, we'll share the whole finished product with you. But this one's in here now and they're working on it, and I just want to share some of the stuff with you. And it's pretty cool to have two TRD Pro Tacoma 2022s in here right now. So again, thank you for watching. Appreciate it.